Good morning, dear friends. Spirit wants me to tell you that you don't need anyone else's approval. There are solutions available to you, and remember that where there's endings, there's always new beginnings. You must go into meditation and pray, and you will get the answers you deserve. There's sweet results awaiting you, and they say your intuition is your greatest strength. You must trust it. They want you to be here and the now, and not let bumps in the road hinder your progress. They Spirit has your back. They are working in your favor. Release the past and embrace the in betweens. Bring a gentle touch into your life. We have been through unsettling times and we needed to plan ahead. The Sun card is here and it says we must thrive through the power of positive thinking. Um, we are on a path to our happiness, and they say there is recovery. We have been co creating with Spirit, we're turning our knowledge into wisdom, and there's an exciting event coming up for us. You are receiving powerful psychic insights, and they want you to stay in peace. Your potential is endless, and there is bright happenings coming your way. They want you to know you're going to have a chance to do something amazing. Freedom is yours. You have the answers already inside of you. And they say your plans are working out very well. You are getting strong within yourself after lots of time of deliberating. It's not the time now to give up. Life is speeding up, but you're a goal orientated person and you just have to believe in yourself. They say that endings are inevitable and you will know exactly what to do. You have the benefit of experiences. There are improvements underway, and sometimes there are delays around those improvements. They want you to tend to the small things. Things in the world are coming to full circle, but there's spiritual growth and insight that's growing stronger. I love you all very much. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.